बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू इंटेंसिव स्टडी। आज के लेक्चर में हम करंट अफेयर्स करेंगे जनवरी के मंथ के। हम नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल तमाम अहम अफेयर्स को डिस्कस करेंगे। आज के लेक्चर में हम जो भी लर्न करेंगे इसकी पीडीएफ फाइल आपको टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में मिल जाएगी, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में गिवन है। वीडियो को एंड तक देखें। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे न्यू हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोज़ के नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलते रहें। लेक्चर शुरू करते हैं। Who has been declared as Test Cricketer of the Year in PCB Awards for 2020? Mohammad Rizwan. Mohammad Rizwan was declared as Test Cricketer of the Year as Pakistan Cricket Board on January 1st, 2021. Announced the award for the year 2020. Who was chosen as the Individual Performance of the Year in PCB Awards for 2020? Fawad Alam. Who has been appointed as Lahore Capital Police Officer? Ghulam Mahmood Dogar. The Punjab government has prematurely changed yet another Lahore Police Chief and posted DIG Ghulam Mahmood Dogar as new Capital City Police Officer CCPO. Outgoing CCPO Umar Sheikh has been transferred and posted Deputy Commandant of Punjab Constabulary, Farrukhabad. Mr. Sheikh has been removed from his post a few months after his appointment as Lahore CCPO on September 2nd, 2020. What's the name of Punjab Police ISPR, like newly created media wing? Punjab Police Information Branch PPIB. The Punjab Police Department has appointed Deputy Inspector General Operations Sohail Akhtar Sukhera as official spokesperson for the department under a newly created information management and data sharing system. The total recovery of NAB since its inception in 1999 till 2021 is Rupees 714 billion. National Accountability Bureau recovers rupees dash in last 3 years, rupees 487 billion. Which 16-year-old player wins 60th National Amateur Golf Championship? Umar Khalid. It was the rousing performance, one that amplified the hype surrounding Umar Khalid being Pakistan Golf's latest wonderkind. The 16-year-old on Sunday became the youngest ever winner of the National Amateur Golf Championship with one of the best scores in the tournament's 60-year history. According to Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid, CNICs fraudulently obtained by Afghan nationals have been cancelled by Nadra 2 lakh. Who becomes the first female district police officer DPO in the history of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? Sonia Shamrao. When Prime Minister Imran Khan launches first digital payment system RAST on January 11, 2021, Prime Minister Imran Khan said January 11, 2021 that his government's Digital Pakistan initiative will help the country to fully utilize its potential by shifting from cash economy to digital. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari inaugurated Labour City. In which city? Sakhar. Pakistan People's Party Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari inaugurated a Labour City here on Monday 18 January 2021 in Labour Colony. According to sources, 1,024 flats in the city would be given to workers from the Sindh Labour Department. Who is the current IG of Balochistan Police? Muhammad Tahir Rai. The federal government has appointed a senior police officer, Muhammad Tahir Rai, as the new Inspector General of Balochistan Police. Mr. Rai will replace Mohsin Hassan Butt, who served in the province for more than 2.5 years. Mr. Rai is the senior police officer of Pakistan Police Service. When Federal Cabinet removed Naeem Buhari as PTV chairman on January 15, 2021, a day after the Islamabad High Court banned Naeem Buhari from serving as chairman of Pakistan Television, the Federal Cabinet removed him and 2 other directors of the PTV board on January 15, 2021. What's the rank of Pakistan in Trading Across Border Index FBR? 111th. Pakistan ranks on the Trading Across Border Index jumped by 31 positions from 142 to 111 due to considerably improved implementations of several measures, the Federal Board of Revenue said on January 19, 2021. What's the rank of Pakistan in the Global Firepower Index 2021? 10th. Pakistan has become the 10th most powerful country in the world in terms of military power out of 133 countries, according to Global Firepower Index 2021. US President elect Joe Biden has inducted Pakistani American Dash into his foreign policy team, Salman Ahmad. President elect Joe Biden picks transgender women as Assistant Secretary of Health named Rachel Levine. Joe Biden will be sworn in as the 46th President of the United States on January 20, 2021. Joe Biden will be sworn in as the 46th President of the United States on January 20, 2021 in a ceremony protected by 25,000 troops. Which country ranked top in the Global Firepower Index 2021? United States. There are currently 138 countries considered for the Global Firepower Annual Defense Review, with 904 attack helicopters and 11 aircraft carriers. The US rank at the top of the list. It also has 40,000 armored fighting vehicles along with 68 submarines. Cornwall, the host of this year's G7 summit, is located in which country? United Kingdom. What's the name of Pakistani American who is said to become first Muslim attorney in US? Saima Mohsin. Which country's army lifted hijab ban of our Muslim women? South Africa. Who has been named as new US Secretary of the State? Antony Blinken. Antony Blinken was sworn in as the 71st US Secretary of the State on January 26, 2021. The Secretary of State, appointed the President with the advice and consent of the Senate, is the President's chief foreign affairs advisor. On January 23, 2021, which country launched third ship to be constructed for Pakistan Navy under Milgem project? Turkey. When actor Ali Nasir Afridi passed away? On January 21, 2021. Recently, which provincial government has launched Women Helpline for registration of complaints against women harassment? Balochistan. The Balochistan government has launched Balochistan Women Helpline 1089 for registration of complaints against women harassment at home and workplace. The women could register their complaints on the helpline regarding harassment, domestic violence, harassment at the workplace, and property issues. What's the rank of Pakistan in Global Sustainable Development Goals Index in 2020? 134. Pakistan's ranking has dropped on the Global Sustainable Development Goals Index from 115 in 2016 to 134 in 2020. In the regional context, also Pakistan is the worst performer and at the bottom of South Asian countries in the overall performance of SDGs, official document reveal. Who has been appointed the chairman of the inquiry committee to investigate the broadsheet matter? Sheikh Azmat Saeed. What's the rank of Pakistan in Corruption Perceptions Index (CPI) in 2020? 124. Which country recently sanctioned international protocol to abolish death penalty? Kazakhstan. Pfizer, which recently produces COVID-19 vaccine, is a dash pharmaceutical company, American. Which country has changed its national anthem in a bid to reflect 60,000 years of indigenous history? Australia. Australia has changed its national anthem in a bid to reflect 60,000 years of indigenous history. Australia woke up to a new year on Friday and a slightly different national anthem. Which country hosted 41st session of the Gulf Cooperation Council Summit on January 5, 2021? Saudi Arabia. Who has won the Crown Player of the Century award at the Globe Saucer Awards 2020? Cristiano Ronaldo. Trains powered by human waste to be introduced in which country? Britain. When Gulf leaders signed a solidarity and stability deal on January 5, 2021. Recently, which country has frozen over $9 billion in Iranian funds under US sanctions over Tehran's nuclear program? South Korea. South Korea has frozen over $9 billion Iranian funds under US sanctions over Tehran's nuclear program, local media reported on January 5, 2021. Around 3 trillion won deposited by the Seoul branch of Iran's Bank Millet has been held by the Bank of Korea, while about $7 billion worth of Iranian oil money was frozen by the Industrial Bank of Korea and World Bank, according to Yonhap News Agency. Which country to hold a nationwide online cow science exam? India. India will hold a mass nationwide online cow science exam next month, February 2021, in the latest push by the Hindu nationalist government to promote and protect the sacred animals. Which country is set to join as the sixth member of the Five Eyes intelligence work? Japan. Recently, Indonesian plane carrying 62 people crashes into sea. What was the name of that plane? Sriwijaya Airborne 737. Which country ex-premier Ahmed Ouyaya admits selling gold bars in black market? Algeria. Former Algerian premier Ahmed Ouyaya, on trial for corruption, admitted January 10, 2021 to receiving gold bars from Gulf donors, then selling them on the black market, the official APS news agency reported. The oldest son of Oman Sultan became the first crown prince in the country's history, named the Yazid bin Haytham. The oldest son of Oman Sultan became the first crown prince in the country's history on January 12, 2021, as the Gulf state published a new fundamental law stipulating the line of succession. The announcement was made through the Twitter account of the government's communications office. Which country generated over half of its power from wind due to Storm Bella? United Kingdom. Which country launched the world's first double-stack long-haul container train? India. US has recently named which country as the state sponsor of terrorism? Cuba. Which country has hosted the fourth One Planet Summit in cooperation with the United Nations and the World Bank? France. Which country announced to withdraw itself from Open Skies Treaty after US departure? Russia. Alexei Navalny was arrested recently for criticizing government policies. He is the opposition leader of Russia. Recently, which country plane has seized in Malaysia over $14 million lease dispute? Pakistan. A Pakistan International Airline PIA plane has been held back by Malaysian authorities due to British court case over the jet's lease, the airline said on January 15, 2021, adding that it would pursue the matter through diplomatic channels. Second trilateral meeting of the Ministers of Foreign Affairs of Azerbaijan, Pakistan and Turkey held in Islamabad on which date? 13 January 2021. What's the name of the guided multi-launch rocket system of Pakistan? Fateh-1. Pakistan on January 7, 2021 successfully tested an indigenously developed extended range guided multi-launch rocket system MLRS, the Inter-Services Public Relations, while announcing the successful test flight of Fateh-1, said the new weapon system would give the army capability of precision target engagement deep in the enemy territory. Fateh-1 can carry the conventional warhead and it has a range of 140 kilometers. Which bank was declared the best bank of Pakistan for the calendar year 2020 in 5th Pakistan Banking Awards on 8th January 2021? Mizan Bank. Which country sells 50 armed drones to Pakistan, raising concerns in Indian Army? China. Pakistan ranked as the worst passport for international travel in 2021, fourth. Who has been appointed as official spokesperson of newly created ISPR-like media wing of Punjab Police? Suhail Akhtar Soheria. The Punjab Police Department has appointed Deputy Inspector General Suhail Akhtar Sohera as the official spokesperson for the department under the newly created Information Management and Data Sharing System. The seat was created under the Punjab Police Information Branch, a news wing made on the pattern of the Inter-Services Public Relations ISPR. Who is the current IG of Islamabad Police? Qazi Jamilur Rahman. The federal government on January 7, 2021 changed Inspector General of Police Amir Zulfikar Khan and appointed Qazi Jamilur Rahman in his place. On January 7, 2021, which country successfully tested an indigenously developed extended range guided multi launch rocket system MLRS? Pakistan. Pakistan on January 7, 2021 successfully tested an indigenously developed extended range guided multi launch rocket system MLRS. Fatah 1 can carry the conventional warhead and it has a range of 140 kilometers. Which provincial government has decided to start giving rupees 10,000 monthly honorarium to each prayer leader KPK? The Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government has decided to start giving rupees 10,000 monthly honorarium to each prayer leader in the province from July 1st. The scheme would benefit around 22,000 prayer leaders. The provincial government will spend an amount of approximately rupees 23 million per month and rupees 2.5 billion per annum on the scheme. When Pakistan and South Korea hold third round of online session of JTC, January 6, 2021. Recently, Chief of Army Staff General Kamarjit Bajwa was honored with Order Award in which country? Bahrain. When Justice Kaisar Rashid was sworn in as the Chief Justice of Peshawar High Court on January 9, 2021. Green Loan Scheme launched in which province of Pakistan? Punjab. Green Loan Scheme has been launched for shifting traditional brick kilns to zigzag technology, said Finance Minister Makhdoom Hashim Jawan Bakht. When distinguished Urdu poet Nasir Torabi died of a heart attack, January 10, 2021, he was 74 years of his age. He leaves behind his wife and two sons. Which sportsperson has been awarded knighthood in the UK honours list? Lewis Hamilton. Recently, the European Union has signed an investment treaty with which Asian country? China. Which country has passed the Malala Yousafzai Scholarship Bill recently? United States of America. On 8th January 2021, which social media platform permanently banned President Trump account? Twitter. Which player voted as the best captain in a poll conducted by ICC on January 12, 2021 on Twitter? Imran Khan. Which country's supreme leader banned the government from importing COVID-19 vaccines from the US and UK? Iran. Who becomes oldest person ever to be elected as US President in US history? Joe Biden. Which Pakistani girl has won the 29th World Memory Championship Global 2020? Emma Alam. Emma Alam was thrilled to win the prestigious global event. I had aimed to give my best in WMC 2020 backed by a lot of daily practice for the past 2 years with my coach and the institute. I still astonishes me how powerful the mechanism of human memory is and the brain's infinite information storage system. Which Pakistani player has been named Most Valuable Cricketer of the Year and White Ball Cricketer of the Year at PCB Awards 2020? Babar Azam. Pakistan captain Babar Azam won on Friday named the Most Valuable Cricketer of the Year in the PCB Awards following his stellar performances during the season. The 26-year-old was also adjudged the White Ball Cricketer of the Year after averaging 110 and 55.2 in the ODIs and T20s respectively. Who has been appointed as Managing Director of SUI Northern Gas Pipelines Limited SNGPL? Ali Jade Hamdani. SNGPL Board of Directors has appointed Ali J. Hamdani as Managing Director of SUI Northern Gas Pipeline Limited for a period of 3 years. Ali J. Hamdani features more than 30 years of experience in managing international business, particularly in the energy, power, water, chemical, and healthcare sectors. Which High Court has declared that the two-finger test (TFT) and the hymen test of the purpose of ascertaining virginity of a female victim of rape or sexual abuse are illegal and unconstitutional. Lahore High Court. Which Gulf state recently amends law to grant citizenship to investors professionals? UAE. The United Arab Emirates has adopted amendments that would allow the Gulf state to grant citizenship to investors and other professionals, including scientists, doctors, and their families, the government said on Saturday, January 30, 2021. Which country is the least corrupt country in the world 2020, according to the Transparency International? New Zealand and Denmark. The Berlin based NGO Transparency International on Thursday, 28 January 2021, released its 2020 Corruption Perceptions Index. Developed countries continue to rank high in the 2020 list, with New Zealand and Denmark ranked as the least corrupt countries in the world. Denmark and New Zealand received 88 points, while Syria with 14 points and Somalia and South Sudan with 12 points, each ranked last. आज का टॉपिक यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हुआ। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिलते रहें। थैंक यू।